What up, YouTube? FD White, aka Crypto Funds, back with another episode of Crypto Funds Invest. Welcome to the channel. Excuse the sweat. You know, I just got finished working out again. So I want to talk XRP. Let's get right into it. Let's talk XRP. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you where I think XRP can go. Not a price prediction, but basically a technical breakout, a measured move, and you might like it. But we have to talk about something first. We have to talk about all these unlocks that XRP, Ripple, the community, the company rather, does every month. So I was doing a little bit of research. I already knew that they were, selling 1 billion coins monthly, but look at this article right here. This is actually from TradingView. It says on-chain data recently showed that Ripple carried out its monthly escrow unlock for May. As expected, this has raised concern about the XRP price. It unlocked 500 million XRP tokens. The magnitude of these tokens always raises concern. Further analysis of on-chain data show that Ripple sent 300 million to be unlocked, and then 200 million weren't sent to escrow. So we don't know if they have plans to sell that whole 500 million XRP tokens or what. It says talks about Ripple dumping on markets resurface. Now this is something that we all have been talking about. This is something that scares me. This is something that has been scaring the community, that has scared investors into into investing into XRP, because it's like if you buy a coin and you know a whale or something is holding, and you know for a fact that they're going to continue to sell on a monthly basis, like, where is the conviction? How are people going to get behind that? How are people going to have conviction and have the fortitude to buy and hold, for price appreciation when you have this much sell pressure? So it is OTC, it is over-the-counter sales. And then a lot of people say over-the-counter OTC doesn't affect market prices, doesn't affect market, price movement, but it does affect market sentiment. It does affect buyer sentiment. Like, nobody wants to buy a coin that they know is going to be sold monthly. 1 billion coins monthly. I think 39 billion coins are still locked up in escrow at XRP or at Ripple since it made its initial inception. Let's go back to this article right here. It says talk about Ripple dumping on markets resurface. It says the chief technology officer has clarified that the sales do not impact a crypto's token price. Moreover, Ripple already discontinued pragmatic sales, which means that transactions cannot affect price on crypto exchanges. But like I said, if I'm an investor and I see, or I know that a community or a company is going to be selling shares, let's say you're selling shares, if you're doing stocks, if you're selling 1 billion shares a month, like, why would I want to invest in that? I'm getting into these projects, I'm getting into these investments to make money, XRP hasn't really moved in 4 years like that. We haven't even touched all-time high since 2017. The sentiment is down. They have to come up with some other mechanism or some other plan about this, because me as an investor, I've been holding XRP for a while, over 4 years now. So now I'm looking at this like, should I sell to go to something that I think is going to make money in the longer term, or should I just hold? Even though it's been holding this upward sloping trend line that we're talking about. But it's like, I want price appreciation. I'm into crypto for price appreciation. If I didn't want something to move like that, if I wanted an investment to move like a snail, I could just buy some stocks. But let's actually go to the chart. I want to look at the chart and see what I'm looking at for XRP actually, because XRP actually has a nice chart that I'm looking at, and I think we can go much higher if something happens, or if some type of news catalyst, or if something good happens for XRP. Let's actually look at XRP and look at the price for this breakout of this symmetrical triangle that I am looking at. So XRP, let's look at XRP. XRP right now is at 52.527 cents. Let's go to the weekly, because we need to look at this massive symmetrical triangle that we're in. This is the massive symmetrical triangle that we're in, and the measured move for this breakout. We are reaching the apex of this breakout, of this pattern rather. So the apex will be the end of the year. So this is when I expect crypto to actually get some sort of blow off top. I'm not like I said, I always say, I'm not a forecaster, I'm not a fortune teller, But the way we're looking, XRP is giving us a hint of what the future may hold for the whole crypto market. So if we keep trucking along this upper sloping trend line in this symmetrical triangle that we've been in, the end of this symmetrical triangle will be in about October, November. That's around election time. So how did I get this measured move and where is it at? So I'll take this. I'm not really a super measured move guy, but I take this and I do the top to the bottom. And the top to the bottom, that's how I'll get my measured move for this symmetrical triangle breakout. Let's say it breaks out around this time. Where am I looking at? I'm looking at around $5. So I'm not making a price prediction. I'm not making any type of price analysis for this, because we keep seeing all this FUD, all this selling, all this suppression. Let's just call it what it is. It's really suppression, even if it's not price suppression on their part. It's sentiment suppression. You know, these investors, no new investors are really coming in, and people are selling. You know, so we'll have to just see what XRP does, man. XRP community, I'm not selling. I'm not gonna sell. I almost sold the other day. When I was doing a little bit more research on XRP, but you know, I said, you know, I'm gonna hold it. I've been holding this long, so I'm gonna continue to hold, and you know, I'll just add a little bit here and there, because if XRP is a leading indicator of where we're going to go and when we're going to go there for the market, like I said, October, November of this year, it all aligns. We got the election coming up. We have things starting to look a little funny in the economy. We have talks of rate cuts coming at the end of the year, so it all aligns. So XRP to $5 is not, you know, not too far-fetched. So that'll be what, a 10x from here, which would be pretty good. So if you're holding XRP, I would suggest, you know, not financial advice to continue to hold. If you're not holding it, then I don't know. You know, I don't know if you're not holding it, if you want to be a new investor to XRP. But if you're holding it, I'm going to continue to hold mine, because I can take that 10x from here. I've been holding this long, so we'll see. But that price suppression, that's selling $1 billion a month, man, I don't like that. They need to figure something else out. I know they got problems with the SEC. I know they got a lot of things, you know, a lot of these agencies looking over their back, looking over their shoulder now. So they got to move cautiously. But, you know, sentiment is very bad in the XRP community right now. Even though if it's not price suppression, like I said, with the over-the-counter sales, it's definitely sentiment suppression. So tell me what you think. Comment down below in the comments. What do you think about this XRP? 1 billion of XRP being sold, with 39 billion still locked up, which will be released over the next few months, over the next few years. Is that going to significantly suppress the price? Is it going to significantly suppress the sentiment? What is your take? What's your analysis on it, man? Make sure you hit that like, make sure you hit that subscribe. I appreciate everybody for watching, and I will see you in the next video.